So I've been using the Forex Fury Robot for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Forex Fury Robot. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Forex Fury Robot. Forex Fury is an automated trading robot designed for MetaTrader 4 and 5, which allows users to automate their Forex trading strategies. It's been around since 2015 and has built a user base of about 15,000 traders worldwide. One of the standout features of this bot is its highly customizable options, allowing users to set parameters like stop loss, take profit, and maximum spread. This makes it appealing for both beginners and more advanced traders who want control over their trades without constant monitoring. Additionally, one of the key benefits of Forex Fury is its ability to trade in multiple markets, including Forex, indices, and even cryptocurrency. It's especially effective in low volatility conditions, making it best suited for range-bound markets. Plus, Forex Fury has a high win rate, reported at over 90%. But this comes with a caveat. The risk-to-reward ratio can be lopsided, with smaller profit targets but larger potential losses, which means there are times of deep drawdowns. Moreover, the robot supports ECN/STP brokers, which are ideal for tighter spreads and quicker execution times, reducing trading costs. Additionally, the installation process is quick, and you get lifetime updates without any recurring fees. However, it lacks a free trial, which can make it a risky investment upfront. Overall, the Forex Fury Robot is a complex trading tool that automates much of the decision-making process. While it offers potential benefits like 24/7 trading and reduced emotional involvement, it's important to understand the risks associated with automated trading. And as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.